Wife said this is her Bitcoin money and to just tell her what ski to buy without knowing anything about her. She doesn't like to go fast. Money isn't real when you have a Cowie 310X, except she's a 52-year-old girl. I'm split between an FX HO. You get the Cruiser because you're short. She's short. FX Cruiser HO, great gas mileage, reliable, great gas mileage, great storage, awesome glove box, uncomplicated ski. So FX HO Cruiser would be a good option. If she doesn't want something so big, I would go with a GTI SE 170. GTI SE 170, very comfortable, great storage, great ergonomics, great balance. SE comes with a swim step. SE comes with a sound system. Gosh. And if you do get the GTI SE 170, get the underhood storage pouch. It's like $100. There's zero drilling. It's already pre-drilled. You put the 4 screws in it. It goes right on. The GTI hull, the Polytech 2 hull, does not bow hunt. It's actually decent in rough water. It's decent. Yeah, I've gone full pin on a GTI 170 in 3 foot, and it tracked very nice. The plastic does flex, and it does feel like you're going to hurt it. No. GTI. I don't know sign language. Whatever. GTI, not the X, the I. It's the smaller one. GTX bow hunts like a monster. You would never hear me recommend it. GTI, yes. So GTI SE 170. I as an I. Okay.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.